Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll share 7 real ways to make money online with zero investment, no credit card, no hidden costs. These are perfect for beginners, especially in the US, and some can even turn into full-time income. So grab your coffee and let's dive in. 1. Freelancing for beginners. Best sites: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. You don't need to be an expert. Basic services like removing backgrounds from images, typing or transcription pay surprisingly well. Example: a seller on Fiverr is charging $50 plus just for converting PDFs to Word. Tips: build a clean, specific profile. Offer 1 to 2 simple gigs to start. Respond to clients quickly. 2. YouTube Shorts without showing your face. Start a faceless shorts channel on finance, quotes, or tech hacks. Use free tools: CapCut, Canva, InShot. Monetization through YouTube Shorts Fund, affiliate links, or future sponsorships. Example idea: top 3 budgeting apps in 2025, minus 15-second video. Low competition, high value. 3. Content writing. Write blogs, product reviews, or emails for clients. Great websites to start: TextBroker, PeoplePro, or Freelancer.com. Even if you're not a pro writer, tools like Grammarly plus ChatGPT can help you get started. Pro tip: post 1 to 2 writing samples on LinkedIn to get noticed. 4. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn commissions. Start with Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digi Store. 4. Use YouTube, free blogs, or TikTok to promote popular niches in the US. Personal finance, productivity tools, home workout equipment. 5. Mobile-based earning. Download legit microtask apps like Swagbucks, Toloka, or Google Opinion Rewards. Earn by taking surveys, watching ads, or giving feedback. Payments via PayPal, direct deposit, or gift cards. Warning: avoid shady apps. Only stick to highly rated ones on Google Play or App Store. 6. Print on demand. Design and sell without inventory. Websites: Redbubble, Teespring, Merch by Amazon. Use free tools like Canva to design shirts, mugs, and stickers. When someone buys, the site prints and ships it. You earn a commission. Passive income potential. Design once, gives earn again and again. 7. Online tutoring. Teach anything you know: English, math, music, even hobbies. Best platforms: Preply, Cambly. Wisent.you can make $15, $25 hour just chatting in English with non-native speakers. No teaching degree needed, just fluency and a good internet connection. You don't need thousands of dollars to start an online business, just your time, consistency, and a little creativity. Choose one of these 7 methods and commit to it for the next 30 days. Comment below. Which one are you going to try first? And if you want a deep dive video on any of these, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs to hear this.